Let's play the new word game.
It's time for school!
Mark, tea, pencil, and friends. Mark, tea, pencil, and friends.
Boys and girls, in this game, we're going to change one sound at a time to make new words. Here is the first word. Cat. Let's change the first or initial sound k to m. What is our new word? Mat. Change the m to hat. Change the to Rat. Great job. Now, let's change the last or final sound of the word rat. Change the t to m. What is our new word? Ram. Change the m to g. Rag. Change the g to d. Rad. Very good. Finally, let's change the middle or medial sound of the word rad. Change the a to I. Rid. Change the I to e. Red. Change the e to ah. Rod. Great job, everybody. For more practice, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my songs everywhere music is streamed and sold. Thank you.